Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Mongoose Dolomite Fat Tire Mountain Bike. Mongoose conquer any off-road trail with ease with the Dolomite Fat Tire bike with supersized all-terrain knobby tires. A rear derailleur with 7 speeds makes hills easier to climb, while twist shifters make it smooth and easy to change gears while riding. For added speed and performance, the strong, lightweight alloy rims keep the weight down. Ride comfortably with beach cruiser pedals and ensure safety with front and rear disc brakes. A bike that is built for all-terrain brouhaha, hiking. The tires are big and plump, up to 4-inch thick, and create a cushiony ride that will put the fun back into your trail or everyday riding. Built for snow, mud, dirt, and city roads. For added speed and performance, the strong, lightweight alloy rims keep the weight down. Ride comfortably with beach cruiser pedals and ensure safety with front and rear disc brakes. The threadless headset is adjustable for riders of different heights. For added speed and performance, the strong, lightweight alloy rims keep the weight down. Ride comfortably with beach cruiser pedals and ensure safety with front and rear disc brakes. This bike ships ready to be assembled. Sized for adult riders 5 feet, 6 inches to 6 feet tall. Ride comfortably with beach cruiser pedals and ensure safety with front and rear disc brakes. Our second best mountain bike for beginners is Schwinn High Timber Mountain Bike. The Schwinn High Timber Mountain Bike is an excellent choice for any beginner or intermediate level mountain biker looking to either enter the sport of mountain biking or expand their collection of bikes. Designed for youth and shorter riders, the frame of the Schwinn High Timber Mountain Bike is small and comes with 24-inch wheels. For more casual riding, the size of the wheels is usually what is used to determine which bike to buy. For example, a person who is 4 feet to 5 feet tall will usually want 20-inch tires, while someone 5 feet to 5 feet 6 inch will want 24-inch tires. As a beginner rider, the size of the tires is very important to your riding comfort. As you increase in skill, however, you will begin to want frames that are created specifically for your body, but as a beginner biker that is unnecessary. The Schwinn High Timber is perfectly suited for a young, beginner rider with its 24-inch wheels and should be the correct size for most young boys. Bicycle comes with an alloy crank that provides steady gear changes that cause less maintenance. Mountain bike has twist shifters with a rear derailleur to make gear changes quick and easy. Third pick in our list is Huffy Hardtail Mountain Bike. The Index Shimano TZ31 rear derailleur combines with the micro shift twist shifter to deliver 21 speeds on demand for uphill climbing, downhill riding, or pure acceleration. Removable rear derailleur guard ensures consistent gear operation. It has a durable steel frame and rolls on either 26-inch or 24-inch wheels, so it's suitable for school kids, teenagers, and adults. Huffy Extent has wide, knobby tires that offer excellent grip and a suspension fork that improves comfort. The fork is pretty heavy, but it gets the job done. You also get 18 speeds with Shimano components that shift reliably. This hardtail mountain bike is designed for casual riding. Perfect for women riders 4 feet 8 inch to 5 feet 8 inch or 13 plus. There isn't much of a comfortable riding experience to speak of if you are taller than 6 feet. The suspension fork soaks up bumps in the trail and keeps the front wheel planted on the ground to improve comfort and handling. The twist shifters offer fast and reliable gear changes to help you adapt to the terrain on the trail. 0.24 by 1.95 inch knobby tires tear into dirt bike paths with ease. Linear pull hand brakes deliver consistent stopping action. Premium padded ATV saddle has stitched sides for lasting quality. Alloy quick release provides easy seat height adjustment. Number 4 on our side is EcoTric Beginner Electric Mountain Bike. This beautifully designed MTB hails from EcoTric, a company that's becoming a major player in the fat tire electric bike industry. The shock suspension is designed on this electric bike seat. So folding function is not only on the stem and the frame but also the seat. Remove the battery without taking down the seat. Be more convenient. The intriguingly named Leopard is a hardtail model that weighs around 25 kilograms. Its 26-inch alloy frame is painted in black and orange, and features a psychedelic 70s font that'll make you feel like the coolest rider around. One of the things that makes this bike great is its powerful 500 watts motor. The bike has a 36V per 12Ah lithium battery, which takes a long time to charge 6 to 8 hours but will be able to last anywhere from 30 to 50 kilometers depending on how much you use it. It's for people who are over 5 feet 7 inch tall, as shorter individuals will find it too big. Enhanced anti-skidding and wear-resistant tires, adapt to snow, sand and other complex topography. Adapt to all terrain, snow road, sand road, gravel road. Front and rear mechanical disc brakes bring you peace of mind. Lightweight and strong aluminum alloy frame, easy to climb 30 degrees. The overall ergonomic design of the electric bike body is comfortable and easy to ride. Number 5 in our top 5 best mountain bike for beginners list is Muckput electric mountain bike. Muckput's powerful 48 volts 550 watts gets you up to a maximum speed of 22 miles per hour. The removable lithium battery is rated at 48 volts 13Ah. The pair combine to get you a massive 35-mile range in electric mode on just a single charge. You can get to 40 to 60 mils in pedal assist mode. The bike is usable for a range of uses: city commuting, off-road exploring, mountain biking trails and more. There are 3 modes of operation. The first is normal bike mode for no assistance pedaling when you want to save charge. Second is pedal assist mode that provides electrical assistance while pedaling to get you up to the maximum speeds while utilizing the battery most efficiently. Last is pure electric mode that allows you to use the throttle and save energy and simply enjoy the ride. 0.26 inch by 4.0 fat tire gives you the cushioning you need for rougher trail types. Paired with the disc brakes, this gives you good stopping power as the tires provide good traction to the road. Shimano 7-speed transmission is tough and will last a long time while providing a nice shifting experience. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.